When you see ginger is cheap, don't hesitate to buy a little extra. With the right storage, you can use it year-round and it will still be fresh and delicious. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. My family uses ginger almost every day, so I bought quite a lot to bring home. But if left as is, ginger dries out easily, sprouts, and then has to be thrown away, which is really wasteful. So today, I'm going to share with you 3 incredibly simple ways to preserve fresh ginger for a long time and use it throughout the year. In particular, the third method is very convenient, and many people who have tried it like it. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. This is ginger I just bought from a local farmer. It was recently harvested, so there's still a lot of soil clinging to the roots. I rinsed it briefly first to remove any loose dust. Just rinsing with water and gently scrubbing is enough. You can see how much cleaner the ginger is now, right? Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Pour enough water to completely cover the ginger. Stirred. And soak for about 10 minutes. Now, I'll use the brush to scrub again, paying attention to the small crevices. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. If the ginger root is too big, simply break it in half for easier cleaning. Many people ask me if I peel the ginger. The answer is no. I usually leave the peel on as long as the ginger is clean. Rinse it 1 or 2 more times. Remove from the water and let drain. The ginger is now ready to use. Next, wrap the entire ginger root tightly with plastic wrap. When wrapping, you should press the plastic wrap tightly against the surface of the ginger to minimize air leakage. If the ginger root is large, you can cut it into smaller pieces and wrap each part individually so that when using it, you only need to open one part, and the rest will still be well preserved. After wrapping, place the ginger in the refrigerator's crisper drawer, preferably in the vegetable compartment. This method helps the ginger stay fresh for quite a long time, usually for 2 to 3 weeks, while retaining its aroma and preventing it from drying out. This method is very simple, easy to do, and almost every household has plastic wrap available. Ginger retains its natural aroma and dries out less than if left uncovered in the refrigerator. The next method is to cut the ginger into small pieces like this so that it's easier for the blender to grind. Put all the ginger into the blender. Add about 1 cup of water to blend more smoothly. Cover and blend until the ginger is finely ground. I usually blend it for a little longer to get more ginger juice. Once blended, strain the mixture through a sieve or clean cloth. It's advisable to wear gloves at this stage, as the ginger juice can be quite hot on the hands, similar to chili peppers. Squeeze thoroughly to extract the maximum amount of water. Set aside the ginger pulp. We'll use it again later. Prepare a clean glass jar. Pour some of the ginger water into a glass jar. Add pure honey in a 1-to-1 ratio with ginger water. The ratio can be adjusted to taste. Stir gently until the honey dissolves in the ginger water. Seal the jar tightly and leave it in a cool, dry place for about 1 to 2 days to allow the honey to blend with the ginger water. Then, store it in the refrigerator for long-term preservation. This ginger-infused honey drink can be used for 6 to 12 months if refrigerated, preserving its aroma and ginger flavor. For each use, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginger and honey mixture. Mix with warm water and drink directly. You can add fresh lemon to enhance the flavor and vitamin C. This method helps ginger retain its essence, warms the body, and aids digestion. Next, pour the ginger water into an ice tray. Then place it in the freezer until completely frozen. When needed, simply take out 1 tablet. Great for making drinks or cooking. Besides freezing ginger water, I also make another version for cold days. Pour the remaining ginger water into the pot, turn on the heat, and bring to a boil. While cooking, stir constantly to prevent burning at the bottom of the pot. When it boils, add a little sugar. You can adjust the amount of sugar to your taste. Reduce the heat and continue stirring until the mixture thickens and turns light brown. Once it's cooked through, turn off the heat and let it cool naturally. Prepare clean, dry, and sterile glass jars. Pour the ginger mixture in. And close the lid tightly. When using, usually only a small spoonful is needed. Add warm water and stir well. This method allows for long-term storage in the refrigerator. If you want to extend the storage time further, I will provide further instructions. For the ginger pulp, spread it evenly on the tray in a thin layer to help it dry quickly. I dried them using an air fryer, setting it to 120 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. Dry until completely dry. Once the ginger is dry, put it in a blender and grind it into a fine powder. After grinding, strain the mixture. If there are still large chunks, grind them again. Place the finely ground ginger powder into a clean, dry, sterilized glass jar. Ginger powder is very convenient. It can be used in cooking or mixed with warm water and a little honey. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After use, simply close the lid and store in a dry place. If stored properly, ginger can last a long time. This ensures you always have ginger readily available in various forms. So now I have ginger powder and ginger water ready to use anytime. This is something I do regularly because it's simple and convenient. And you, how do you usually use ginger? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.